So in this video, we will be looking at what is unformatted input or output statement, which is very much important because we already gone through the different programs in which we have checked what is to or what is the statement for input or what is the statement for output. So this is what we will see here. Input and output. If we just look at, there are three types. The one is unformatted, then second is formatted, and third one is file. In which unformatted, we can just simply know what is to read and write. But when we go for formatted, then what to read or write and how to read or write. So this is what we will get. Now when we go for the file, in that case where to read and write, this is what we have to consider. So let us consider this particular process where we are going to just write down here read. Then in bracket this parenthesis, the first one is where to. This is what the first part is considered. Then second one is how to. Second one is how to, and then after parenthesis you have this part which is what to. The read is nothing but the process for input or output. So this would be applicable for read as well as for the write. And the first part is where, second part is how, and the third part is what. So this is what this particular process is. And if we talk about input statement or read statement, and particularly unformatted read statement, if we want to go ahead with the first one, then what is the syntax of it? So the syntax is read star comma star. Why star comma star? Because we have not mentioned anything related to where and how. So v1, v2, v3, they are the variables. This is what is to read. This is what we are going to check in the unformatted read statement. So v1, v2, v3, they are the input variable. So v1, v2, v3, they are the input variables. And if we just look at the example of it, read star comma star, because we have not considered anything or mentioned anything related to where and how. And you mention here x. So input value of x, then read star comma star a, b, k, and l. So you have to input the values of a, b, k, and l. So whatever the variables will be in the program, this is how you need to go ahead with. So just let us check a program related to the unformatted read statement. So if you just look at this program, this is the first one is the program name demo. Written here write star comma star where and how, it is not mentioned here. And in single quote, this message will be displayed, enter the value of a and d, because this will be considered as character. Whatever we write in the single quote. And then this one is the read star comma star a comma d is to be entered here. And then afterward, this is the arithmetic expression x equals to a plus d, and then we have again gone for the message to be displayed, the value of x is, and then the value of x. So suppose if I go for the run and make the process of compilation, so here the compilation is done, error 0, hits a 0, so all is fine. I'll click on OK button and then again go to the run command. I'll click on run and the message displayed, enter the value of a and d. Enter the value of a and d. Why? Because you can just check this, because we have just written here in the right statement, enter the value of a and d. So I'll put 10 and press enter. Again I'll put the value of d 20 press enter. So the value of x is, it will do this arithmetic expression. Through this arithmetic expression, x equals to a plus b, and this value is 10 plus 20, that is 30. So this is how unformatted read statement is utilized here. Similarly, the syntax of unformatted write statement is similar to that. Write star comma star exp1 exp2 exp3. These are the expressions. You can write down the expressions here. In earlier read star comma star, there used to be only variables, but now here there are the expressions. So expression, what does this represent? That result in a valid value. So this include, you can include constant, there can be variable or parameter that can be, can directly write down the equation or function as well. So let us take an example of it. Write star comma star x star and star. This is the first star is for where and second star is for how. And in this part after parenthesis it is what to. And so this will display the value of x. Again write star comma star r. I've written here equation 3.14 into r into r, then 2.0 into 3.14 into r. So this will display the radius, then area and circumference of a circle. Similarly, I can write on here write circumstar x. This is sine in bracket x, cos in bracket x. So sine value and cosine value of an angle will be displayed. Similarly, write star comma star. I've written here in single quote. So this is area of circle. This will display the text. Then comma, you have this value of a, and then what is the unit of it? So I've written here in single quote. So this is how unformatted read statement as well as the unformatted write statement is to be carried out. You can just look at this. This is the program where this is the line number 2, line number 5. This is unformatted output statement, and then this is line number 3, unformatted input statement. And this one, line number 4, is your arithmetic expression. So this is how the program is to be done. Then we do have this unformatted print statement. The same way we can write just the way output statement for just like write statement. This is the print statement we can utilize the same way. Just here print the star. We are not mentioned here where and how. Just comma exp1, exp2, exp3. These are the same way expressions. Expressions we have already seen. And example is the same way, print star comma x. This will display the value of x. Print star comma r comma 3.14 comma r. Then sorry, 3.14 star into r star r comma 2.0 star 3.14 star r means 3.14 r squared to 2 into 3.14 r. Then you'll have this print value x sin x and cos x, then area of circle in square centimeter, and this is how you will get it. So this is how the unformatted print statement is to be utilized here, and we have seen in this video unformatted read statement, unformatted write statement, and unformatted print statement. Thank you.